In this video you will learn how to set up access regulation for the Wattpilot. We will see how to program those RFID chips and also how to set up the button lock on the device. You can program up to 10 of those RFID chips and assign them to various users. Hence it is possible to track how many kilowatt hours which user has charged. By standard, one of those RFID chips is included with the Wattpilot Go and even two are included with the Wattpilot Flex Home. You can either use those RFID chips or you take external ones. If an MID compliant device is necessary, then please take the Wattpilot Flex Pro. The anthracite colored version is the Wattpilot version that has an MBD counter integrated. In order to program those RFID chips, we connect to the Wattpilot and go to the app. In order to pair an RFID chip, we tap on Settings. And then we tap on Access and on Authentication. There we can set whether it is necessary to have an RFID chip in order to charge the car. We tap below on Chip Administration in order to pair a new RFID chip. We tap on Pair and then we hold the RFID chip in front of the reading area on the Wattpilot. We get the information that it is paired and we can set a name for this user. If we then want to see how much kilowatt hours each user has charged, we go back and tap on History. And there on Consumption per chip. And there we see the kilowatt hour consumption per user. If we want to have this data in an Excel file, then we scroll a bit down and we open the download portal. In this area, we can download Excel files with all the charging data for the various users. In order to set the button lock, we again tap on Settings and we go back to Access and to Button Lock. If we tap on Button Lock, then it can be set whether the buttons on the Wattpilot are locked or not. This makes sense in public area, for example, when we say we don't want to have foreign people playing around with the charging modes, or also in the private area when there are kids around, for example, and they should not be able to play around with the settings on the Wattpilot. If you have a Wattpilot Go, you will have another option. Under Cable Lock, you can specify whether the cable socket on the Wattpilot is locked or not. By default, the Wattpilot is locked as long as it is connected to a car on the other end.